Before you doubt yourself again, remember this. God saw every flaw, every failure, every fear, and still, He chose you. Not the version you pretend to be. Not the one that hides the pain behind a smile. But the real you. The one who's been through storms and is still standing. My dear one, you must understand, being chosen doesn't mean being perfect. It means being trusted with a purpose. A purpose that's greater than your past, greater than your wounds, and greater than your doubts. God saw your broken moments. He saw your sleepless nights. He saw the times you gave up on yourself. And still, He whispered, "You are exactly who I want. You were never meant to be flawless. You were meant to be faithful. You were meant to grow. To rise. To reflect light even after walking through the dark." So stop disqualifying yourself from what's already yours. Your mistakes don't cancel your calling. Your struggles don't subtract your worth. We waste so much time trying to look worthy, instead of just being real. But real strength is found in stillness. Real wisdom is found in reflection. And if you've been chosen, then it's time to choose yourself. Choose to show up. Choose to start over. Choose to believe that your life still holds meaning, even if it doesn't look like what you planned. Take a breath. Ask yourself, what am I running from? Who am I trying to impress? And why do I keep forgetting that I'm already enough? You don't need permission to be who you are. You don't need validation to walk in purpose. You just need to pause. Listen. And remember, God doesn't make mistakes. If He called you, He will carry you. If He saw you, He will still send you. The process may be uncomfortable. Growth always is. But the pressure you feel now is shaping the power you'll carry later. Don't rush it. Don't compare it. Don't quit in the middle of it. If God saw it all and still chose you, then nothing about you is accidental. You were created on purpose. For a purpose. Your journey won't look like theirs. It's not supposed to. But it will be worth it. So today, I ask you, stop shrinking to fit into spaces where you no longer belong. Stop apologizing for your growth. And stop waiting for the perfect moment to begin. This is your moment. This is your confirmation. This is your wake-up call. You've been chosen. Now live like it. Don't ever forget this truth. God saw every part of you. And still said, that one is mine. So walk with quiet confidence. Speak with grace. Act with purpose. You are not forgotten. You are not a mistake. You are chosen. And your time is now.